Alright, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm showing you a Note 4 screen. This one, you know, it's not touching right this second, but it was touching just a few minutes ago. It's having issues. Every now and then you'll get lines on the screen and stuff. It's a little messed up. Let's try it out again. Why is the screen not working right? Oh, black. There it goes. Very weird. So, I mean, we can see it ain't working right. I'm just going to replace the whole thing. Luckily, on this phone, we don't actually have to take much apart. We just got to pull the screen off. Now, you're probably going to see a YouTube video of people pulling the glass separate from the LCD. Now, I mean, you could take my word for it, but you do not want to do that. The reason being is if you don't have the equipment for it, it's not going to come out right. It's gonna look like crap when you're done. It's gonna break again easy, and it's not gonna be a good product. You're not gonna be happy with it. Now, the best way to do it is just contact Samsung, contact me, contact whoever. Get yourself a brand new screen with the LCD, and you'll be happy. This is the thickness of a screen with your LCD on it. And this one controls your picture and your touch, and this one is just your touch for your pen only. So yeah, we'll just pop this off, pop the new one on, call it a day. You'll need to heat it. You don't want to get it too hot. It just needs to loosen the glue up. This one, the glue is pretty freaking loose. Chances are this LCD is gonna break, but this one is already junk. I use this adhesion promoter, which is used to clean up stuff before you're like doing stickers or something, painting, whatever, what have you. Pull the speaker mesh out. So you just take it, clean up everything. That gets glued back down. Pop that off. That's your adhesive under there. Now this little tab has to go up. If that makes any sense. And I'm just gonna run some extra tape. Alright, so I got my tape on there. Peel the strips off. My adhesive is peeled back. And just like that, it's good to go. These cases look so terrible. Looks good.